The Fire TV Stick freezing on its logo can indicate a problem, which may be related to hardware or power supply issues. Common causes of this problem include HDMI connection issues, incompatible power accessories, or outdated software. To resolve the issue, it's essential to ensure a stable HDMI connection, which can be achieved by switching to another HDMI port or inspecting the HDMI extender for damage. Connecting the Fire TV Stick directly to the TV can also help. If the issue persists, try rebooting the TV by powering it off, unplugging the Fire TV Stick, waiting a few minutes, and then reconnecting it. It's also crucial to use compatible power accessories, such as the designated Fire TV Stick cable or adapter, to ensure the device receives the correct voltage. In some cases, the Fire TV Stick may be performing background tasks, like software updates, so waiting a few minutes may allow it to complete the routine maintenance. If none of these solutions work, the device may require professional attention to diagnose and fix the problem.